Hello all my besties and welcome to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar using Canva. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to Canva and you want to grab you a AI image. Now what I'm going to do is I already created one. So I am going to upload it so that I can be able to download it back into my computer and then upload it into the AI software. I know you saying, Regina, what is you talking about? Don't worry, I finna show you. So I'm just gonna grab this YouTube square and I'm gonna head over here to the uploads. And as you can see, my picture is right here, but I'm gonna upload it again so that for just for the purpose of this video, so you'll know how to upload it. So I'm going to grab it right here, open it up. Oh, that's another one. That's another picture. Sorry about that. Let me upload. But that's exactly how you do it. I'm going to go ahead and upload another one of my picture, another one. So there we go. We're going to open it up. And there she go. They came right on in there. So then I'm going to grab her and then I'm going to stretch her out all over the square. Then I'm going to head over here and I am going to download her so that I can upload her into the AI software. Okay, I tried to upload the picture straight from the computer into the AI software, and for some reason it just did not work. So now that I have her up, I am going to head over here to the home page and I'm going to click on the apps, the right here in Canva. Okay, just click on apps and then I'm going to put in D/ID, and what's going to come up is D/ID AI presenters is going to come up. So I'm going to click on that and you're going to see this little guy right here and it say instantly add talking head voices to your designs. So I'm going to click on that and I am going to use a new design. And it's set for YouTube purposes. I'm just going to type in YouTube and I am going to use the landscape. Okay, now that we're all set up, we're going to upload our picture that we just downloaded. And I have it so many times. Is that the right picture? Let me see. I probably should have just grabbed the first one. Okay, so here she go right here. These are some other pictures that I did, but I'm going to grab her. So you want to highlight the avatar that you want to use. Once you highlight the avatar that you want to use, you're going to hit use avatar. Okay, now you want to type in something that you wanted to say. Earlier I was over here in ChatGPT and I went on ahead and created something for it to say. Copy, and I basically just told it to write out something, the reason why you should be a part of my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so once you put in what you want it to say, then you can change the language if you like, but I'm going to leave it on English. Also, I just leave the voice on basic. You can change it to Premiere if you want to, but I kind of leave it on basic. And then right here is where you can pick your avatar voice. And if you want to hear what it sounds like, just hit preview speech. You can also change her. And if you Now they do have girls and guys, so it doesn't. If you're a male and you're making a avatar for yourself, you can use a guy voice. Okay, so once you have everything in, you have your picture, you have what you want it to say, you have your language, you have the person that you want, the person voice that you want. All you have to do is click generate presenter. Now right here to tell you use 2 of 1 credit. You have only 1 credit, so it lets you know how many credits that you have. And I've been using the heck out of this. I've been doing videos and stuff like that on YouTube, so I'm finna drop it down drop some of the words down, and see, now it dropped down to it's only 1 credit for this one. Okay, so of course if I want to get more credits, I can just go over and get more, but for the purpose of this video, I just cut down the words, so it would be just 1. So I'm gonna hit generating my presenter. Okay, and like I said earlier, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button and hit the bell button so you will not miss out on more videos about AI. So the first thing that you're going to notice is your picture is going to come up like mine did. The picture is up. It just let me know that it has successfully generated my avatar with a voice on it. Okay, let me change the background color. Can we do that right now? Right here, there we go. I'm gonna give her some color on the background before we reveal the avatar and what she is saying. So let's hit the play button.
Looking for inspiration, creativity, and adventure all in one place? Our YouTube channel is your ultimate hub for DIY projects, cruising adventures, and AI innovations.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little presentation with this custom AI avatar that can talk on its own. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me the thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It actually helps my channel grow. And I will continue to make videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for being a part of my community and watching my videos. Until the next time, bye everyone.